Thinking about getting a U.S. green card through your job? Then you've probably heard about the PERM labor certification. And let's be honest, it's the step nobody loves, the waiting game. In 2025, some applicants are moving through in less than a year, while others are stuck waiting for more than 18 months. PERM isn't just another form. It's the cornerstone of your employment-based green card. This is where the Department of Labor double-checks that no qualified U.S. workers are being passed over before your employer can sponsor you. If things slow down here, your entire green card timeline slows down too. The good news is that knowing what to expect makes the process much less stressful. Today, I'll walk you through how long PERM takes in 2025, why it matters, and what you can do to stay on track. PERM labor certification is the first major step if you're applying for a green card under the EB2 or EB3 categories. Your employer sponsors you, tests the job market by posting ads and interviewing candidates, and documents the entire process to prove no U.S. worker was ready, willing, or qualified. Only after this step is approved can your employer move on to filing the I-140 petition with USCIS. Without PERM, the green card journey doesn't move forward. So how long will you wait? Right now, the average processing time is about 8 to 12 months for a standard case. If everything goes smoothly, you could be done in about a year. But if your case is audited, the timeline can jump to 18 months or even longer. Audits don't always mean there's a mistake. Sometimes they're random. Other times, the Department of Labor just wants a closer look at the job description or the recruitment process. Backlogs are another factor. When applications pile up, even the cleanest case gets stuck in line. And don't forget about the prevailing wage determination, which comes before you even file PERM. That step alone can add 3 to 5 months to your overall timeline. In reality, a smooth case usually takes about a year from start to finish. But with an audit or backlog, you could be looking at up to 2 years. Breaking it down, prevailing wage determinations take 3 to 5 months. The recruitment process takes about 2 to 3 months. A standard Department of Labor review takes 6 to 9 months. And if you're unlucky enough to face an audit, that can add another year. Add it all up and you see why patience is essential. So what causes audits? Sometimes it's overly tailored job descriptions. Sometimes it's unusual recruitment results. Other times it's simply random selection. And of course, delays can also come from backlogs, documentation errors, or technical slowdowns at the Department of Labor. Checking your case status can feel frustrating, but there are ways to stay informed. The Department of Labor posts monthly updates showing which cases they're processing. Your employer or attorney can check the portal directly. And if your case has been stuck far beyond the average, your attorney can follow up. Some delays are unavoidable, but others can be prevented. The key is accuracy. Make sure the job description isn't overly specific. Keep recruitment records complete and organized. Double-check every detail before filing. And above all, work with an experienced attorney who knows how to avoid common audit triggers. If waiting isn't an option, there are alternatives. A national interest waiver allows you to self-petition without PERM. EB1 categories for extraordinary ability or multinational managers also skip the PERM step entirely. And sometimes switching to another visa, like H-1B, O-1, or L-1, can buy time while your case is pending. In rare situations, even refiling PERM can be faster than waiting on a troubled case. The truth is, the PERM process in 2025 isn't fast, but knowing the average timeline makes it easier to manage. Most applicants will wait about a year, while others may need closer to 2. It's a waiting game, yes, but it's also the foundation of your green card journey. Immigration isn't just paperwork. It's patience, persistence, and preparation. Some days the wait will feel heavy, but every step brings you closer to permanent residency. And when that approval finally arrives, it will feel like crossing the finish line of a marathon. If you've already been through the process, share your experience in the comments. Your story could make someone else's wait a little easier. And for more immigration updates and guides, be sure to stay connected.